hanapin natin yung 75. Yun yung gate natin. So, nagugutom ako guys. So, maghanap tayo ng pagkain.
Passenger Brian Silver, please return your bill to security.
Pre-boarding. Should you require assistance, please make your...
Okay guys, boarding na kami and 5 hours din yung biyahe na to. So matagal-tagal siya. Okay guys, we're here. Ngayon, paano tayo lalabas dito? Taxi. There's taxi here. Cancun downtown. I have my ticket already. So